Hi viewers, now we discuss the topic exercise 1.1 fifth question. Use Euclid's division lemma to show that the cube of any positive integer is of the form of 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. What we prove here? Any cube of positive integer, we prove as in the form of 9m, 9m plus 1, 9m plus 8. Listen carefully, don't skip the solution. Let a be any positive integer. Now we prove that the cube of any positive integer, that is z, is of the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, where m belongs to z plus, that is some positive integer. By using Euclid's division algorithm, form a equals to b into q plus r, comma, q belongs to some positive integer, that is z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than b. Here we observe 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8, comparing with b into q plus r, where b equals to 9. Put b equals to 9 as in above equation, that is a equals to 9 into q plus r, comma, q belongs to z plus, where 0 less than or equals to r less than 9. So the remainder smaller, like 0 to 9 below, that is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 8. Apply cubing on both sides, that is a whole cube equals to 9 cube plus r whole cube. Like we apply here form a plus b whole cube, means a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube, comparing a value as 9 cube and b value as r. So a cube equals to 9 cube whole cube plus 3 a square into b means 9 cube whole square into r plus 3ab square means 9 cube into r whole square plus r cube. Next step, a cube equals to, it is in the form of a into b whole power m, means a power m into b power m, means 9 cube into q cube plus 3 into 9 square into q square into r plus 3 into 9 into q into r square plus r cube. Now we take it next phase, this step. So 9 cube can be written as 9 into 9 square. In second term 9 square is there, we take it 9 into 9, and as in the third term 9 also is there. So a cube equals to 9, take it common. The remaining terms are 9 square into q cube plus, take it 9 outside, the remaining terms are 3 into 9 into q square into r. So 3 into 9 into q square into r plus 9, take it outside, the remaining terms are 3q r square. We write it that one, 3 into q into r square, bracket close, the remaining term as r cube. So square q cube plus 39 q square r plus 3q r square, can we take it all these are the m, where m is any constant, that is a equals to 9 into m plus r cube. If r equals to 0, then a cube equals to 9m plus r means as 0. So r cube means 0 cube equals to 9m plus 0 cube is nothing but as 0 only. So 9m plus 0 as 9m. If r equals to 1, then a cube equals to 9m plus in place of r we written as 1. So r cube means 1 cube equals to 9m plus 1 cube value is nothing but 1 into 1 into 1, that is nothing but as a 1 only. If r equals to 2, then a cube equals to 9m plus r. R means here we choose 2. R cube means 2 whole cube, that equals to, right, 9m plus 2 cube means 2 into 2 into 2, 3 times, that the value as 8. So the cube of any positive integer, if r equals 0 we get 9m from, r equals to 1 is in the form of 9m plus 1, and r equals 2 as in the form of 9m plus 8. Similarly, the remaining remainders are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 also we get is in the form of 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So require the solution hence proved. I hope to understand this solution. Thank you for selecting my video.